So, is left field the real deal, or are they just playing games with your heart and data? I've done a deep dive into the app, especially after their big moment on Shark Tank Season 17, Episode 10. Let's break down what's really happening in January 2026. Left Field was founded by two Brown University grads, Samantha Martin and Kate Sealer, who wanted to fix swipe fatigue. Instead of endless lefts and rights, the app uses AI and your general location to encourage real-world meetings, without blasting your exact coordinates to strangers. That's a big plus if you're tired of feeling like just another profile picture. After their Shark Tank pitch, they landed a $200,000 deal from Alexis Ohanian and Kendra Scott. The buzz hasn't slowed down since. The app first took off in New York last year, but now it's rolling out to more college campuses across the country. One thing I really appreciate: safety. Left Field never shares your precise location. You'll only get match info by neighborhood, and most matches have some mutual friends, which bumps up accountability. Still, some users are a bit skeptical about any location-based dating, even with these safeguards. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, people love the authentic, spontaneous vibe. It runs in the background and nudges you if a great match is nearby, so you're not glued to your phone 24/7. But there are some downsides. The planned paid subscription for male users is stirring up debate over fairness and whether it'll mess with the app's balance. So, is Left Field a scam? Nope. It's a legit and innovative take on modern dating. But, like any app, it's not perfect. If you're looking for something fresh, it might just be worth a shot.